fear of missing out often occurs among Gen Z or millennials. Marina Miltvaya view FOMO or fear of missing out from the perspective of psychological needs. She explained that FOMO is strongly related to the three basic human needs. First thing first is relatedness, secondly is competence, and lastly is autonomy. When these needs are not fulfilled in real life, individuals become more vulnerable to experiencing FOMO. For example, someone who feels less connected with their environment is more likely to experience FOMO. From the interview we conducted, it became clear that fear of missing out or FOMO is often understood as anxiety about being left behind from something that is currently trending. Participants explained that FOMO involves the fear of missing important or exciting experience that others are having, especially those visible on social media. Some also describe it as the tendency to follow what others do without fully knowing the purpose of a reason. This perspective shows that FOMO is not merely about trends, but also reflects a deeper fear and exclusion and a strong need for belonging within social groups.
Experiences of FOMO can be seen across many aspects of daily life, reflecting how individuals often feel compelled to follow what others are doing in order not to be left behind. During childhood, this can appear through the desire to own trending toys such as squishes, slime, or fidget spinners, especially when these are widely displayed by peers or on social media. In adolescence and adulthood, FOMO often emerges when seeing others where individuals feel the need to stay updated or to try what others are enjoying. Even in personal interests such as music, FOMO becomes visible when viral phenomena like Spotify Rap make people eager to join, not wanting to miss what everyone else is sharing. Altogether, these patterns reveal that FOMO is not confined to one particular activity, but permeates different areas of life, from childhood play to social interactions, lifestyle choice, and personal passions, consistently driven by the underlying fear of being left out.
FOMO has both positive and negative impact depending on how it's experienced and managed. In academic settings, it can encourage productivity, such as motivating students to pursue higher grades or create more attractive and organized study notes. In this way, FOMO acts as a driving force that pushes individuals to perform better and remain competitive. However, FOMO also carries negative consequences, particularly when it involves material consumption or social compression. Many people feel pressured to spend money on things that went rather than truly need, simply to feel accepted or to align with the current trends. This often results in financial strain and emotional distress. Beyond financial aspects, FOMO also triggers exclusive self-compression, overthinking, and hatred and exclusion, which lead to greater anxiety and insecurity. FOMO today is strongly reinforced by presence of social media and the influence of digital platforms. The endless flow of content, especially from influencers, often present an image of a perfect life that can trigger insecurity and the feeling that one must imitate what the others are doing. Social media highlights only the best moment of people's lives, which creates the illusion that others are always happier, more successful, or more fulfilled while are left behind. The algorithm itself amplifies that phenomenon by repeatedly showing the advertisement trends and viral content that encourage people to keep up, whether through the lifestyle, fashion, or entertainment, such as a dance and viral challenges. Constant exposure to this curated image, the experience makes individuals more likely to feel that they must follow along, spend money, or engage the same activities in order relevant.
FOMO can be seen as both a social phenomenon and a psychological issue. Socially, it reflects the influence of trends, collective behavior, and digital culture that push people to stay connected and relevant. Psychologically, when experienced excessively, it may lead to anxiety, insecurity, and overthinking, pressuring individuals to constantly keep us, but can escalate into a psychological problem that significantly impacts mental well-being.
The impact of FOMO largely depends on how it is managed, yet it appears that the negative consequences outweigh the positive ones. On the positive side, FOMO can provide motivation for individuals to participate in activities, stay connected, and even enhance creativity or confidence, such as people engage in popular dance. It also helps people remain updated with lifestyle trends and can sometimes boost productivity.
The first question in the survey asks, have you ever experienced FOMO? The majority of respond, 81% answered yes, while only 19% respond no. This result indicates that FOMO is a common experience among participants, showing that most people have felt the fear of being left behind, whether in trends, social activities, or other aspects of daily life. The high percent of those who admit experiencing FOMO highlight its prevalence as a widespread phenomenon, suggesting that it plays a significant role in shaping behaviors, emotions, and decisions in modern society.
Question number 2 is, have you ever bought something because of FOMO? Further demonstrates its influence on behavior. Here, 71.4% of respondents admitted that they had made purchases because of FOMO, while 28.6% said that they had not. These findings show that FOMO strongly drives impulsive spending, where individuals buy items not out of need but from the fear of missing out on trends or opportunities.
In response to the question, do you think FOMO has a negative effect on your daily life? 65% of participants answered yes, while 35% answered no. This indicates that the majority of respondents recognize FOMO as having harmful effects, such as creating stress, anxiety, or pressure in their daily routines. Although a smaller percentage reported no negative impact. The fact that nearly two-thirds agreed highlights how destructive FOMO can be in everyday life.
The fourth survey question asked, do you believe recording social media use can help lower FOMO? That responses followed the majority of participants, 81% answered yes, while on 90% answered no. This research suggests that most people recording sees the strong connectivity between social media and the experience of FOMO. Since social media often highlight curated idealistic moment of outer lives. Recording is used is seen ability way to lessen feeling of being left out.
The fifth survey question asks, has FOMO ever caused you to spend money than you intend? The result revealed that 57.1% of respondents answered yes, while 42.9% answered no. This indicated that more than half of the participants experienced overspending due to the FOMO, reflecting how social pressure and the desire not to miss out can influence financial behavior.
First, however, that fact that 40 to 90% of respondents answered no, suggested that a considerable portion of people on ability to manage their financial decisions, within being significantly influenced by FOMO. Overall, that finding highlight the economic impact of FOMO, showing that it not only affect community and social media life, but also personality financial sensitivity.
Okay.